Select the one sentence that best meets the requirements of standard written English. Taking a look at our choices, we can see that we're dealing with the subjunctive mood. The subjunctive mood is used when expressing a suggestion, demand, or hypothetical situation. We see this in the sentence when it says the advisor suggested. The subjunctive mood's format is as follows: subject plus bare infinitive, the bare form of the verb, plus object. For example, I suggested he take a bath. I, subject, suggested he take, bare infinitive, a bath, object. Usually with third-person singular, we would say he takes a bath with an S following the verb, but in the subjunctive mood, we simply use the bare infinitive. With this in mind, let's take a look at our choices. A. The president's advisor suggested that he join the meeting earlier in order to engage freely with the other leaders. This choice follows the structure that we just outlined. We have the subject, he, the bare infinitive, join, and the object, the meeting. As this choice follows the format of the subjunctive mood, and as there are no other errors in the sentence, this is likely our answer, but we can take a look at the other choices just to be sure. B. The president's advisor suggested that he joins the meeting earlier in order to engage freely with the other leaders. This choice incorrectly adds an S to the end of the verb. Again, although usually this is correct when conjugating the third-person singular, when discussing the subjunctive mood, we simply use the bare infinitive. This choice can be marked as incorrect. C. The president's advisor suggested that he would join the meeting earlier in order to engage freely with the other leaders. Again, we can mark this as incorrect on the basis that he would join simply isn't the verb form we use when using the subjunctive mood. This choice can be marked off. And D. The president's advisor suggested that he did join the meeting earlier in order to engage freely with the other leaders. Aside from the tenses not working together in this choice, once again we can mark it off simply because he did join is the wrong verb form and doesn't use the bare infinitive. Based on this, we can mark this choice as incorrect and mark our original answer, choice A, as our final answer.